In this video, I will explain why the Germanic peoples were indispensable to the world. This is the story of the Germanic peoples who influenced and governed the entire world, starting with modern Europe. History sometimes produces nations that seem to fall, only to rise again, stronger, more disciplined, and more determined than before. Germany is perhaps the most striking example of this phenomenon. The roots of Germany's story reach deep into the early Middle Ages. In the 8th century, a powerful ruler emerged in Western Europe, Charlemagne. Known as the King of the Franks, Charlemagne is often described as one of the founding figures of modern Europe. After the collapse of the Roman Empire, Western Europe had descended into fragmentation. Charlemagne sought to rebuild order. Through conquest and political unity, he created what later became known as the Holy Roman Empire, a vast political structure that attempted to revive the legacy of Rome under Germanic leadership. The north, however, remained unstable. The rebellious Saxons constantly resisted Frankish authority. After years of brutal campaigns, Charlemagne crushed the revolts and reshaped the region. The migrations and political transformations of these Germanic tribes eventually contributed to the emergence of the Anglo-Saxons in Britain. To maintain control over his expanding territories, Charlemagne divided administrative responsibilities. The Frankish heartland in the west, what would eventually evolve into France, was governed by trusted rulers, including members of his own family, while the eastern regions gradually formed the political and cultural core of what would later become Germany. Centuries later, the German lands would unite under a modern state and rise rapidly as an industrial power. By the early 20th century, Germany had become one of the most formidable nations in Europe. Its scientific achievements, industrial capacity, and military power placed it among the world's leading powers. But that rise also brought conflict. Germany emerged as a central player in the World War I. When the war ended in defeat, the empire collapsed and the country entered a period of political instability. Barely 2 decades later, the world plunged again into catastrophe with the outbreak of the World War II. The destruction that followed was unprecedented. German cities were reduced to rubble, millions had died, and the nation itself ceased to exist as a unified state. Germany was divided. The western part became the West Germany, aligned with the Western world. The eastern part became East Germany, under Soviet influence. For decades, a heavily guarded frontier symbolized the ideological divide of the Cold War. Yet from the ruins of war, something remarkable began to happen. West Germany launched one of the most extraordinary economic recoveries in modern history. Through discipline, engineering excellence, and relentless productivity, the country rebuilt its industrial base. Steel, automobiles, heavy machinery, and advanced manufacturing became the engines of a new economic miracle. Even more striking was the scientific legacy left behind by wartime German research. After the war, many German scientists and engineers were recruited by the United States. Their work helped shape early rocket technology, aerospace engineering, and advanced physics, fields that would play a key role in America's rise as the dominant technological superpower. Meanwhile, Germany's political leadership took a very different path from its past. Rather than pursuing dominance through conflict, the country became one of the driving forces behind European cooperation. Together with partners like France and Italy, Germany helped build the foundations of what would eventually become the European Union. Today, Germany stands as one of the largest economies on Earth. Its industries are among the most advanced in the world. Its engineering standards are legendary, and its workforce is known for discipline, precision, and long-term thinking. But history never stands still. In recent years, shifting geopolitical realities, rising global tensions, conflicts on Europe's borders, and changing security dynamics have pushed Germany to reconsider its strategic posture. Discussions about expanding military capability, modernizing the armed forces, and even dramatically increasing troop numbers have begun to reshape the country's defense policies. For a nation with Germany's past, such developments inevitably raise questions. This is a country that triggered 2 world wars, yet also rebuilt itself from total devastation. A nation that once pursued military power, but later became the architect of European unity. A society known for discipline, seriousness, and determination. Qualities that can build prosperity, but also shape history in unpredictable ways. Germany today presents a paradox. It is one of the engines of global stability, yet also a nation whose past reminds the world how powerful and how consequential German ambition can be. Which leads to an unsettling but fascinating question. If history has shown us anything about Germany, it is this. When Germany rises from the ashes, the world inevitably changes. And the question is not whether Germany has the capacity to reshape the future. The question is simply this: what direction will that power take next?